We're introduced in this week's Parsha, if you want to say in depth, as much as we could talk about Yitzchak, because he doesn't get a lot of face time. But the brachos that HaKadosh Baruch Hu promises to Yitzchak, it's very strange. Because if you look at the two psukim, the Sforno, the 14th century doctor, points out that it's all, the credit goes to Avram. It's Ba'avur Avraham Avdi, at the end of Rishon, where the HaKadosh Baruch Hu gives in the bracha, says, don't go down because of the tremendous famine, Gur Ba'aretz Hazot, you're an Ola Tamima according to Chazal, I'm going to give you brachos. But why? Pasuk Hey, chapter 26. Ekev Asher Shama Avraham Bekoli. He gives the reason because of Avram, who was Makayim, the mitzvahs and Torah. Later on, in the Psukim, when he goes from Beersheba and Hashem says, I'm with you, Al Tira, don't be afraid. After all of the Beirot, again, Pasuk Chavdalet, V'ir Beiti et Zaracha, Ba'avur Avraham Avdi. Yitzchak gets the blessings because of Avram. Can't Yitzchak stand on his own? What's going on here? Some would say that that's his koach. His koach is not innovation, but perpetuation, the Mesorah, that koach, that could be true. But the Sforno has a different insight. And the Sforno's insight, I think, very much helps us to understand all of our avos, to understand Torah, and to understand our mission in life. The Sforno says, in this week's parsha, it's Yaakov Ishtam Yoshevo Ali. That most people think that means that he was a regular yeshiva bacher. He was within himself, only in the Kosle Beis HaMedrash, only in the walls of the Beis HaMedrash. The truth is, says the Sforno, it's not true. Avram Avinu, we knew, understood, Vayikra b'Shem Hashem, he was the one who was Machlis Orchim et HaNefesh Asher Asu v'Charan, Chesed, taking everybody under the tree and saying, do you see what the Ribono Shalom gives to you? Avram and Sarah, the dynamic duo, that we knew about Avram. Says the Sforno, when it comes to Yaakov as an Ishtam, Yoshev Alim, also, he says, the Sforno says, Ki amnam minu rav Yoshev Alim, but what did he do in Yoshev Alim? Lomodu l'lamed dat ta'am. Even Yaakov was teaching others. And similar, Bifrat Ba'ali Shem ve'ever, Shesham alu kol bevakesh Hashem bli safek, it was teaching everybody. But Yitzchak says, the Sforno, at the beginning, it wasn't that way. It was only what? It was only Toleh b'schut Avram. It was dependent on schut Avram until the Psukim come. And in Pasuk Chavav, through Chavchet, Avi Melech says, hold on 1 second. At that point, what happens? If you read the Psukim, it says right after that, Vayivin Sham Mizbeach, right after Ba'avur Avram Avdi in Pasuk Chavdal, Pasuk Chavhei, in chapter 26, Vayivin Sham Mizbeach, Yitzchak is now Vayikra b'Shem Hashem. Vayit Shom Ha'olo, Vayichru Sham Avdei Yitzchak Be'er. And then Vavimelech halach alav mikrar vayom lahem Yitzchak, why you come to me, Pasuk Chavchet, vayomru ro'o ra'inu ki haya Hashem imach. That Yitzchak, now as an Av also, even if his strength is the tzimtzum, is the inner strength, even Yitzchak now will get the brachas for his own kochot when we understand that it's got to be what? To give others, to spread it to others. This we know is what Moshe Feinstein Zatzal says at the beginning, that Esav, the Esav understanding, now, Vayiviz Esav et HaBechorah, even though it's difficult, taking on the responsibility, taking on the caring of Am Yisrael, that's what our Avos teach you. Masai Avot Siman Lebanim, may we be Zoche to continue living our ideals as individuals and as families, at the same time spreading Shem Hashem to the whole world. Good Shabbos.